Boom! Bitch. Green 150 bucks today. Let's fucking go. I'm gonna be real. It didn't feel like it was gonna be a green day today, or at least um, not anywhere decent green. But I'm happy where I'm at. Obviously, another rough start to the day. Got a few good, decent opening trades, and then boom, minus 60. Got back to break even. Minus 60 again. Back to break even. and then we caught a little bit going, and it was thanks to another penny. Was yesterday a penny? Um, Let me go here. Oh shit. Um, yeah, I was sitting around break even after all the bullshit in the morning, going red, back to break even, going red, back to break even again. So I was just sitting, waiting. And then ASBP was a penny that popped up, and oh, my biggest winner is only 40 bucks. ASBP popped up right here and gave some decent opportunity, and then into the close. Of course, we can do all this before close. But yeah, started trading it around here when I saw it popping up crazy, and then was able to capitalize and get 117 bucks off it. I think highs was like 140 or something on it. But yeah, went up to 73 during actual market hours, then and after hours tried to trade a little bit. Wasn't really used to it, and gave a little bit back. But yeah, it was some decent trading on that. 1.4 profit factor, not the best, not the worst. We definitely want to see better stats here. Average loser versus winner. And don't want to see this. How did I take a... Oh, SGN. Yeah, I bought this break. Right here, I got in late on this break. Do you remember that was a little bit tilting? 10-cent loser on 10-cent loser on 570 shares, so $57 loser on that one. But yeah, ASBP, PLRZ, and I think once again I ended the live stream that I had going like a minute before ASBP started going. But yeah, so I don't have most of the recording of that. Tried to take an opening surge trade, but didn't have as much strength as I expected. I think I just took 2 quick 3-centers on that. SPRO is what I was looking at. SGN was the base capper, but not the greatest look off open. And then this thing's movement was it's like I remember CAPT and I think maybe Kids. No, not Kids. I can't remember the other one. But there was another one that had similar movement to this, and I just don't thrive in this kind of movement. It's like chop, 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 boom, boom, and then it's straight back down. And I do best when I can see like the outlier, the variable that, or at least like the, how do I say it? Yeah, like some kind of outlier that shows like, okay, this is when it's actually making the move compared to chop, 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 boom, back down. So I wasn't able to capitalize on this one very well. Oh yeah, this I looked over at the 5 minute and SPRO was straight up. Halt level was right there at 24, so I just took a quick one right here. That dip into 20. Got in 21 out 23, so that's just a little too center. Then it halted. SGN here. Dipping a few up. Right under 3 maybe. Came over and took a look at IMNN. I think I did end up trading IMNN today, but to start off the day and for most of the day, it was just really low volume. Yeah, I just read like one trade on IMNN on the day, but just kind of spready low volume. What do we got? This is the loser I took on it. They were holding down 109 here. The previous candle high was 210. As soon as they printed over 209, I hopped in for the 210 break, but just like not a trade I need to be taken. That was the case for a lot of today. LVWR. Another stupid trade that I didn't have to take was late in the day, and it was my last trade during trading hours. Hold up, let me get rid of this. Right here, it was in this move right here. Came up, tap 50, and clear 50 is always resistance level. And for some reason, I thought, oh, now is a good time to try to trade it after it made this entire move up to 50. Now I'll take a quick dip for the 50 break. Retarded. Hopped in like 45 or something, or tried to hop in 45. Got filled 49 and took like a 6-cent loser on it. Like a 5-cent loser on 570 shares. So I just gave back 30 bucks for literally no reason. So that one, it's those kind of trades that piss me off and that I need to really, like, I should be avoiding by now. I shouldn't be making those stupid mistakes. Another stupid one right here. Okay. The SPRO out of the unhold higher over this 27 level that I need to get over, and it's weak here. Stops at 31 right there. Stops at 34 right there. I already tried it twice. It's looking weak. The sellers are stronger than the buyers right now. Only gets up to 32 right there, and I'm hopping in at 32. Flushes down. I get out 25. Just in real speed one more time. I try it. It's weak, right? Oh, it gets over that. I try it again. No, it's weak again. Dips down again. I try it one more time. To be fair, it's not like the worst one, but it's like these kind of risks don't need to be being taken in this kind of market. I feel like, especially where everything's weak already, and when things aren't giving strong signs that hey, they're strong right now, the buyers are strong. I shouldn't be taking those kind of risky trades. So I give back all of the 38 bucks of profit that I made on it and go back to $1 green on that name. Once again, stupid mistakes that don't need to be happening. This SGN 22 is this little top right here. They're holding down like more like 19 area on those previous 3 1-minute candles. Seeing if I can take a quick scalp on it and try to hop in where they're holding. Nope, sorry, buddy. That's stupid. Just like early on, I don't know. A lot of these mornings, I just start. I don't know what kind of rule I can implement other than just like don't be dumb, obviously. To avoid taking these unnecessary stupid losses. It gets over this 22 level. Strong. New candle right here. This thing's closing strong. Maybe dip into 22. It's probably not going to come that low. Maybe right under 30. Oh, unnecessary. It came down into that level that I wanted. Looked like it held for like a half second. But the buyer just didn't come in and it just kept falling right there. Oh, that was the biggest loss today right there. So getting in late on the breakout wasn't quite as big as this one. That one was trying to take a dip, but just being too, well, I can't think of words. Too anticipatory, I guess. Trying to anticipate too much on that dip and got flushed on because of it. Weak market, you can't anticipate that much on those kind of dips, I guess. SGN right back up. 55 is that previous candle. Maybe dip into, honestly, this area right there. High 30s. It's probably as low as it's gonna come. But now I'm sketched out by this thing and don't want to get flushed on again. But relative strength, that we know it's stronger. I mean, it just came all the way back up after that flush. Back through 50 right here. Holds high right there.
Upset.
1 cent.
Me and Wyatt took the same trade right there. Yeah, not a fan of this thing. I think I did make a lot of the money I lost on it back. Let's see how I ended up on it. Yeah. I was red 60 on at one point. Made 40 bucks back on it before the end of the day, which is cool. I guess I caught a couple. Looking like they're edging this thing. Not pulling it back yet. Oh, here's a little pullback. 55. Held right there. High 50s. 57 again. Looking like it might come lower though. There's 53. Nope. Here comes another flush. Lower than I'd want to see. Still might hold there. Boom. Boom. Another flush. Don't care about that. SPRO. Interesting look to say the least on the chart.
Should have been. Fuck.
Let's see, why'd we hop in here? Previous candle high is 18, also VWAP. Doing some bids right there. Wasn't as strong as I thought. And boom! There's the fail off you up again.
How am I still in fucking 500 shares? Fuck you.
This eye lag. This thing was too wild. I don't think it took any trades on it. SGN back up. This is where it actually breaks here. I should be zoomed out on the chart here. Looks a little bit stronger on all these other pop flush. It took a few minutes before coming back up, and this one's immediately right back up. Could be a sign that we could be going for an actual move here. Tried it right here for this break over this previous candle 73, and we need it straight through 75 after that. Boom, through 73, stops there again. Oh, nope, tap 75. Holding high here. Should take another stab here, maybe. Like there, I gotta be taking a stab. No reason not to. It's obviously stronger right now. Holding up near this breakout level. And it could have been a 15 center right there.
Really? Go fucking 4 plus.
And then a flush channel. Let's hit it one more time. So we tried it once on this new candle. Opened higher, tried to get through. Does get over previous candle, stops at 75 again. Doesn't flush though. Doesn't reject that hard. Still kind of hanging out around this area. Even when the sellers come in, it still kind of holds up here. Bang, right there. Should be adding. And yeah, could have been 15 cents. Could have been a big one.
Go.
I was just kind of thrown off by this thing. Had a hard time getting a read on it. Oh, and this is the full tilter. So we broke that 75. Went up top 95. Flushed down, but once again we're immediately back up with strength. Edging its way up, especially if this candle can stay green here. Try to take a stab there, didn't continue, don't mind it. Now we should be looking to hop in for another try though.
No, I
tried it right there, getting in high 93. Doesn't break 95 though.
No,
that's a really sketchy one. That could have easily have gone through 95 already, and I could have been getting out on the low side. Or that could have. Here we go again though. They were hanging out in this area. Just tap 4 right there. Still hanging out high. Take a stab, sell. It's sitting here. Oh, we get in late. Like it's just hanging out. It's hanging out that high for too long after tapping 4. Try again, right there. Could have been a 20 center instead.
Hate it.
Taking
I just threw
taking a 12-cent loss on it. Yeah, just a loss of focus. I think this morning at some inopportune times. Because looking back on it now, I mean, hindsight's obviously 2020, but looking back on it now, I can definitely see these trades happening a little bit more and seeing the stabs I should be taking where I didn't. So it's always good, but it's not very useful when it's after the market's already closed. But it's okay. Building those XP points. What else do we got? I think this was the point where I was kind of just hanging out.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, PLRZ halted out of nowhere.
Fucking notice.
Just watching the unhalt on this, 133. Unhalt's lower. Back through 30 and 33. Need to be ready for.
Why didn't I add?
Right there, should be in a print over that 27 there, hold down. Nice, I'm paying attention now. Could have been a lot bigger. I'm trading not big shares.
Why didn't I?
Random stock, and my confidence is very low at this point in the day. But they were holding down this 27 out of the halt a couple times here. I tap it like 3 times.
Why didn't I add?
But then right here, as soon as they print over, I hop in. Bang. Got in 30, so only 30, 33, only 3 center pretty much. Looking for it to continue here though. New candle about to open up. Want this to close green. Doesn't look like
Hold
it's going
down.
to. Boom. Hold down. Decent
I hate
trade
that.
there. You can tell him I was actually paying attention at this point.
Yes.
Kind of just kicking it. Oh. Oh yeah, this when I went back. So I was basically all the way back up to break even at this point. Feeling like, all right, we're on our way back up. I come over here to ASBP,
Oh,
and
shit.
lose focus at the wrong time again. Right here, 60s pre-market high. Look how strong this is. Straight up. Should just be in already, right? What the fuck? Yeah, I deserve this one. I mean, get a fucking clue, buddy. Look how straight up this is. If you're gonna hop in, look at this, new 1 minute. It's still going straight up. Hop in here if you're gonna hop in. Wait for it to get to the halt level, buddy. That's on me. That's just pure.
Oh,
That's
shit.
all that is. Hop in here if you're gonna get in. I must have been looking down, saw the volume come in, thought it was still below. I don't know. Fully on me. Fully on me there. Nice 5-minute flag formed here. Perfectly down into this pre-market. I mean, I should be adding big here. If it holds. Doesn't want to hold there though.
Whoa.
PLRZ out of another halt up.
Whoa.
Through 40. Thing's thin. Don't know why I just watched that. New candle. Sellers put up at 39. Gets through those sellers, through the sellers at 40, and we're still watching.
Don't know why I didn't add. watch.
Too many
Why 30?
stupid losses today.
Why did they sell? Wait, what? It's 40.
Pushing halt levels, 56 now. Boom. Adding a little late there. Just weren't pulling back, so I figured they were gonna break this. Give an extra second. Bang.
I'm trolling. I don't know what I'm doing.
Push it one more time here. They do. Right under 50. I don't know if I'm waiting for it on purpose or my reaction time is just slow, but definitely getting in a little bit late on these entries. Okay, now we should be looking to get active here. Going green, back to this 58 seller sitting there at 57. They're breaking them down though.
55.
Re-add. Nope.
55.
Woo! Should have re-added right there.
Whatever. It's fine.
That probably brought me back to break even. That's probably where I got to small green after pulling it back from break even, like right in this area. SPRO out of a hold up. Didn't realize there were so many holds today. Holding it down up top, but also not letting it dip. At there.
Should I add it?
Be selling.
Just hold it fucking down.
Kind of float around. Now I should be looking to get in for sure. Back over 20. Yeah, I should be looking to get in here if it holds over. Holds. Bang, there's 30 through
Caramba.
30. Not letting it dip. Add. Nice. Big. Fucking decent trade. And yeah, I think that was it for a while, to be honest. Try to take it one to rip back through 35. Big seller sitting there at 35 now. Ooh. Shadoodle.
How?
Bang. Sitting there complaining.
How? Okay. Yeah, fuck off, you fucking asshole.
Move's so dumb.
I'm not mistaken. I think this ends up halting down. Could be wrong though. Get back all the profit I made on it again.
Already. Never had a fish. Tried to,
No.
actually.
If you
Riveting content, fellas.
Yeah. It wasn't the best day, but it definitely wasn't the worst. Like all that was on me. Looking back, I was like mad at external factors more than I was at myself. But that was all on me for sure. Didn't have to do all this. Could have just looked like this for most of the day. But yeah, hey, we're green. Green's green. Decent green at that. If we could do that every day, I wouldn't be sitting here complaining. But this month has not been easy. Hopefully, we get a similar day tomorrow. Just need to be patient again. Not take those stupid trades. If I can avoid those unnecessary losses, easier said than done. We'd be in a lot better spot. So I'm gonna try to be patient tomorrow. Try to avoid those losses and just see where I can make some money and just wait for that best opportunity. So we'll see how that goes. Peace.